These rice rotis are so delicious and remind me of the wheat rotis I used to have growing up. They are beautifully soft when eaten hot, and they even puff up, so you end up with layers. Just look at these layers. Make sure you stay tuned to find out exactly how they're made. Remember to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that bell icon to be notified of all future videos. You can find this written recipe, along with many other healthy recipes, on our website. For the ingredients, you'll need salt to taste, turmeric powder, cumin seeds, rice flour, and water. Now, I was lucky enough to come across organic red rice flour in my local Indian grocery shop. And I know it's not always easy to find, but if you do have whole grain rice flour, it does give it a slightly nuttier flavour. I've also tried this recipe with white rice flour, and it works perfectly well there. Place your non-stick pan on medium heat. Pop in your cumin seeds. Dry roast your seeds until they become golden brown. Then you can add your water, turmeric powder, and salt to taste. Once your water comes to the boil, add in your rice flour. Turn the heat down and keep mixing until all the ingredients are combined. You may end up with small flecks of rice flour that hasn't quite combined into the dough, and that's okay, it doesn't seem to affect the final product. Now, this stage is very important. You want to cover your pot and allow to rest for about 30 to 40 minutes. Once the mix has cooled and rested, you're ready to make the dough. You'll have to have some patience around this because it does take a little while for the dough to form into a ball. Keep going, it will come together. Now remove a piece. Dust it with some rice flour so it doesn't stick to your surface. Continue to roll and move around the roti so it doesn't stick. The thickness that you're looking for is about 1/4 centimetre. Because we're not using any oil in the mix, the sides tend to be a bit frayed, so to keep a round shape and to keep the shapes consistent, I use a side plate to cut out a round. I've also cut out some smaller ones using a cookie cutter for my 2-year-old daughter. Heat your non-stick pan on medium-high and place your roti in. Now we want to gently cook the rotis, but remember they won't take as long as you think because we've already cooked out the flour in the pot. Cook for about a minute on one side. Use a clean cloth to move it around the pan. And once slightly brown, flip it over. And allow the rotis to rise. This gives the rotis some lightness and the layers as well. Here are my little rotis that I've made for my daughter as well. They cook very quickly and are fun for little ones to eat. Rotis are best eaten with a dry curry. I hope you've enjoyed this recipe. Do try it and let me know what you think in the comments section below or on Instagram. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you next time.